Imagine a bustling factory. It hums with activity, a symphony of organized chaos. Conveyor belts whiz by, carrying components to their destinations. Sparks fly as robots weld metal together. Forklifts scurry around, transporting materials. This is a place of constant motion, of tireless production. Now imagine that this factory is so small that it fits on the head of a pin. Welcome to the world of the cell, a microscopic metropolis teeming with life. Every cell in your body is a self-contained factory working tirelessly to keep you alive. Like any efficient factory, the cell has a division of labor, with each component playing a specific role. This intricate dance of molecules and organelles is a testament to the power of evolution, a symphony of life conducted at the smallest of scales. The cell is a marvel of engineering, a testament to the ingenuity of nature. It is a world unto itself, a microcosm of the universe, and it is inside you right now by the trillions. At the heart of this bustling metropolis lies the nucleus, the cell's command center. Within its protective walls resides the cell's most precious possession, DNA. This molecule, a double helix of genetic code, is the instruction manual of life. It contains the blueprints for every protein the cell needs to build and every function it needs to perform. Think of the nucleus as a vast library filled with countless volumes of information. Each volume represents a gene, a specific segment of DNA that codes for a particular protein. When the cell needs to produce a certain protein, it sends a signal to the nucleus. The nucleus then finds the corresponding gene and makes a copy of it in the form of RNA. This RNA molecule then leaves the nucleus and travels to the ribosomes, where it will be used as a template to build the protein. The nucleus is a vital organelle, essential for the survival of the cell. Without it, the cell would be like a ship without a captain, adrift in a sea of chaos. The nucleus ensures that the cell has the information it needs to function properly, to grow and divide, and to carry out its role in the body. No factory can function without a skilled workforce. In the cell, this workforce is made up of proteins and enzymes. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out a wide variety of tasks. They transport molecules, catalyze reactions, provide structural support, and much more. Enzymes are a special type of protein that act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed themselves. They are essential for life as they allow the cell to carry out its metabolic processes efficiently. Without enzymes, many of the reactions that are essential for life would occur far too slowly to sustain life. Proteins are synthesized by ribosomes using the instructions encoded in RNA. Once synthesized, proteins are folded into specific three-dimensional shapes that determine their function. The precise shape of a protein is critical to its function, as it allows it to interact with other molecules in a specific way. Cytoskeleton, the cell's transportation system. A factory needs a well-organized transportation system to move materials around, and the cell is no different. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that crisscross the cytoplasm, providing structural support and acting as a transportation system. The cytoskeleton is made up of three main types of filaments: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Microtubules are the largest of the three and are involved in cell division, as well as in the movement of organelles within the cell. Microfilaments are the smallest and are involved in cell movement and muscle contraction. Intermediate filaments provide structural support for the cell. The cytoskeleton is a dynamic structure, constantly assembling and disassembling in response to the needs of the cell. This allows the cell to change shape, move, and transport materials efficiently. Ribosomes, the protein assembly lines. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and the ribosomes are the factories that produce them. Ribosomes are complex molecular machines that translate the genetic code from RNA into proteins. They are found in all living cells and are essential for life. Ribosomes are made up of two subunits, a large subunit and a small subunit. The small subunit binds to the RNA molecule, while the large subunit catalyzes the formation of peptide bonds between amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Ribosomes work with remarkable speed and accuracy, churning out thousands of proteins per minute. Ribosomes are found either free-floating in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membranes that extends throughout the cytoplasm. Ribosomes that are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum synthesize proteins that are destined for secretion or for insertion into the cell membrane.